We would like to introduce you to the representative paintings of shaman gods and shamanic tools that can be found in Shamanism Hall. First, a shaman painting refers to a painting that expresses the form or appearance of a specific god believed in by a shaman. It has the nature of prayer or worship. Depending on the region or wish, not only the gods that occurred in our indigenous beliefs, but also the figures of past kings, the Buddhist leader Shakyamuni, various Buddhas, Confucius, Mencius, various Taoist immortals, brave generals, famous monks, dragons, tigers, etc. Various objects appear in shaman painting. One of the representative shaman paintings is Song Sibuindo. Now, this painting depicts women dressed in red attire on the innermost wall of an exhibition hall. It represents the image of Song Sibuin, a guardian deity honored in the Bugundang. In the center of the painting, Lady Song from Bugundang sits with her hands clasped together, while on either side 2 maids hold offerings and gaze towards Lady Song. Lady Song, her maid, and 4 other women are depicted in different sizes, and Lady Song is depicted in the largest size to emphasize her authority. Although the exact nature of Lady Song as a deity is not known, the strong reverence and faith of the people can be understood from the title Lady, used to refer to the wife of a high-ranking official. Next, let's take a look at shamanic tools. Shamanic tools refers to ritual tools essential for shamans during gut ceremonies, including swords, fans, ritual flags, tridents, and bells. Among them, the bell is the central tool among shamanic tools. The exact period when bells became important is uncertain, but archaeological evidence suggests that bells similar to those used by modern shamans have been unearthed, indicating their origins date back quite far in history. There are many types of bells used in shamanism, including gunung bells, which are made up of 2 or 3 pairs, as well as chilsung bells, daisin bells, and 99 sangso bells. The bells on display in the museum are on handles made of iron that are split into left and right sides, with 3 bells on one side and 1 bell on the other side. It is thought to be a chilsung bell, which originally had 4 bells on one side and 3 bells on the other side. Chilsung bell is a bell used to worship Chilsung. It is also called Chilso bell because it is a bell with 7 metal bells. Usually characters like Fu, fortune, or Shu, longevity, are engraved on the surface of such bells, distinguishing them as fortune bells or longevity bells. But in this particular bell, no characters are visible. The paintings of shaman gods and tools on display in the Shamanism Hall are artifacts donated when a Bugundang in the Yongsan area disappeared, and are items that were actually used for exorcism. I hope you can take a look around the Shamanism Hall and experience our country's folk beliefs and the people's aspirations contained within them.